A lot of men are not happy with the size of their penis. They envy those who were born well endowed. They think that those with bigger members are more attractive to women. They believe that those with longer and thicker organs can make women more satisfied in bed. Because of this insecurity of men, many techniques have been developed to increase penis size. Since the market for penis enlargement techniques and products is big, more and more companies are creating ways to help them. Here are the ways they have developed on how to make your penis bigger fast. Perhaps the fastest way you can take to increase your penis size is surgery. Surgery has a high success rate in achieving the size you want. It also has only a few weeks of recovery time. But some people who have followed this procedure say that there are side effects. Some claim that they lost sensation after surgery. So what is the point of having a big penis if you cannot feel anything satisfying down there? You may have something big to brag about, but in the end, beyond the ego boost it will give you, what is it for? Surgery is also very expensive. You may find aesthetic clinics offering this service for a lower price, but as a warning, you have to make sure that the person doing the surgery is a licensed surgeon because like any other surgical procedures, penis enlargement is also risky. If you do not want to take this risk or you do not have that much money to spend, you can opt to have a cheaper way of making your penis big. You can use penis enlargement pills. They are easy to obtain. If you search on the internet about penis enlargement pills, you will find a lot of them. These pills usually have common ingredients, so generally they should give the same effects. However, if you want to be sure of your safety, select the pills from a brand that is already trusted in the drug industry. There are also manufacturers that claim that they use only natural ingredients. Again, for your safety, choose only the trusted brands. Penis enlargement creams are also cheap compared to surgery. Like pills, you can also find a lot of them over the internet. But many are questioning the safety and effectiveness of these creams. Some accounts say that they do not really make the penis larger. What they do is they cause irritation and swelling. This swelling might be what makes the penis look larger. Others claim that creams cause rashes. So again, like with pills, choose the brand that has already built a good reputation. Nobody wants the feeling of discomfort rashes and irritation will give. Another solution on how to make your penis bigger fast is through exercise. This is actually free. You do not need to buy anything because all you need are your hands or maybe the hands of your partner. Penis enlargement exercises are safe and effective. Some couples even use these exercises as part of their foreplay. You do not need to worry about side effects and complications. Besides, since you do it in your own room, you can keep it your little secret, pun intended. Again, a small penis should no longer be a problem. There are ways that you can do to make your member down there stand proud. Tired of your size? Want to become larger and have better erections? We can show you step by step what you need to do it.